Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, episode 2 of our off-season series. So I'll show again my training. This time, we're at a football field. Focus of this training is to get some touches in. Also, a little fitness, especially off-season. We need to maintain some level of fitness and then maybe some long balls or shooting. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I train. This time with in the football field. So let's go. 13.
Yeah.
22. Bato mo sa akin. Gets. Tapos, tuloy-tuloy ako hanggang sa ang goal mo pagurin ako. So, magsabi ka go, magsabi ka
Sabi sa gitna, meron ka? Go! Kala ko may umura na. Go! Go! Okay lang sa'yo maputek?
Ha?
Okay lang sa'yo
Yung?
maputek? Go!
Baka man ako konti.
Go! 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 Go!
Curve. Go.
Oh. Hindi na.
Ay!
Good!
Okay, kasat.
Grand bounce.
Okay. Baba. Hindi naman ganun ka nakakita ako.
Lakas mo sa iba.
Hina nga.
Ay! Ay, sayang. Tingin. Tingin na, tingin.
After training drink that my girlfriend made for me. So this one sponsor us. Let's go. Okay na. So So, we're ranking this one. Anong tawag dito sa pizza na to?
Peach mango.
Mango. Peach mango pizza. So, we'll place it with...
Matapon.
Peach mango. So I rank it 6 to 7. So I'll give it a 6-7 rank.